Today we're tackling one of the biggest questions beginners ask. How do I make my first $10,000 from investing without relying on luck, memes, or crypto pumps? I'm not talking about gambling on hot stocks or timing the market perfectly. We're talking realistic, low-risk strategies that actually work for normal people starting with little money. We'll break down compounding magic, beginner-friendly investments, and how to supercharge your start with smart side hustles. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to Kings Invest, where we turn everyday people into financial royalty. If you're tired of being broke and ready to build real wealth, stick around till the end. I'll show you exact steps and numbers. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up, and let's dive in. First things first. Making $10,000 purely from investment returns without adding money? That's tough for beginners, and it takes time or a big starting lump sum. For example, if you invest $5,000 in the stock market at a historical average return of about 10% per year, that's what the S&P 500 has done long-term. It would take around 7 to 8 years to roughly double to $10,000 through growth alone. But most beginners don't have $5,000 sitting around. The real way kings make their first 10K investing? Combine consistent saving investing with compounding and fuel it with extra income from side hustles. No luck needed, just discipline and time. The good news? Once you hit that first 10K milestone, compounding starts working harder for you. Let's talk about the real powerhouse, compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Simple version, you earn returns not just on your original money, but on your returns too. It's money making money, then that money making more money. Here's a beginner example. Suppose you invest $200 a month starting now at a realistic 8 to 10% average annual return, what broad stock market index funds have historically delivered. After 5 years, around $15,000 total, with about $3,000 from growth. After 10 years, over $35,000 growth kicks in harder. To hit $10,000 faster? We'll get to that. But watch this comparison. Person A starts at age 25, invests $300 a month until 35, 10 years, total contributed $36,000, then stops adding but lets it compound at 8%. By age 65, over $300,000. Person B waits till 35, invests the same $300 a month until 65. 30 years, contributed $108,000. Ends with around $400,000. Person A invested less money but ended with more, because of extra compounding time. Moral: start small, start now. Even $100 a month compounds into serious wealth over time. Draw table on screen. $100 a month at 8% for 10 years, $18,000. You put in $12,000, growth $6,000. For 20 years, $60,000, growth explodes. That's without getting lucky, just steady, boring investing. Now, how do you actually start investing safely? Step 1, build an emergency fund first. 3 to 6 months expenses in a high-yield savings account, currently paying 4 to 5% in 2026, better than nothing. Step 2, pay off high-interest debt like credit cards over 10 to 15%. Then, invest. Best low-risk beginner options in 2026. Index funds or ETFs. The king of beginner investing. Track the whole market like the S&P 500, VOO or similar. Historical 10% average return. Super low fees. Diversified. No picking winners. Open a brokerage like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. Many have no minimums. Roth or traditional IRA, tax-advantaged accounts. Contribute up to $7,500 in 2026. Put it in index funds for compounding tax-free Roth. 401k if your job offers it, especially with employer match. That's free money. Max the match first. For ultra-low-risk starters, high-yield savings or money market funds, 4 to 5% returns, basically cash, or CDs if rates are good. But these won't beat inflation long-term. Use them as a stepping stone. Realistic plan to 10K. Start with $1,000 seed money. Add $300 per month. Invest in a broad index fund at 8 to 10% average. In 2 to 3 years, you're at 10K plus from contributions plus growth. No day trading, no options, just buy and hold. Boring? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. The fastest way to your first 10K? Don't just rely on your job salary. Add side income to invest more. That's how compounding goes nuclear. Popular realistic side hustles in 2026 that beginners can start with low no money. Freelancing. Writing, graphic design, virtual assistant on Upwork or Fiverr. Many earn $500 to $2,000 a month part-time. Drop shipping or e-commerce. Sell products online via Shopify without holding inventory. Low startup, $100, scalable. Content creation. TikTok, YouTube Shorts on your passion, even finance tips. Monetize with ads, affiliates once you hit traction. Online tutoring, coaching. Teach skills like languages, math, or fitness on platforms like Zoom. 20 to 50 hour easy. Reselling. Flip items on eBay or live sell on TikTok, collectibles, thrifted goods. Aim for $500 to $1,000 extra per month. Invest it all. Example, side hustle $500 a month, invest it. In year 1, contribute $6,000 plus growth, $6,500. Year 2, add another $6,000 on a bigger base, accelerates fast. Combined with job savings, hit $10K in 1 to 2 years realistically. There you have it, royalty. How to make your first $10,000 investing without luck. Focus on compounding, low-risk index funds, and fuel it with side hustles. Start today. Open an account, invest your next $100, and pick one side hustle. What's your plan for your first $10? Drop it in the comments. Best ones get a shout out next video. If this helped, smash subscribe and the bell. We're building an empire here at Kings Invest. Next video, more side hustle breakdowns. Stay kingly, invest smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.